Before we begin, I want to thank Gevi for sponsoring today's video. On today's video, we are going to unbox their new Gevi Adella Nugget ice machine. That's a mouthful. We're going to unbox it. We're going to set it up. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to make a coffee drink, like an iced coffee recipe, just to show you guys how the nugget ice looks. So let's get started. Right here, this side of the coffee bar, it fits right under our floating shelves, which is awesome. And just to give you reference, some reference, this is just under 17 inches high, so you guys kind of get an idea of how tall it is. And I still have enough room on top under the coffee shelves or the floating shelves, so I feel like it's enough room and it's not too bulky. It is stunning, isn't it? It's so pretty. All right, something that is different, and I kind of like it a little bit better this way, is that the water tank is on the side of the machine. It's not inside the machine. This is where the ice is gonna fall into, and it is just stunning. I like the fact that this actually opens out because it just makes it easier for you to scoop out the ice. Before we set it up, I wanted to show you guys the accessories it comes with. This is like a scoop. Are we focused? This is a little scoop. And I shouldn't say little because this is pretty big. And then the scoop actually comes with a holder. So you would put in the scoop, I'm assuming that way. And then this attaches to the machine on the side, which I think is very, very convenient. That way you're not, because technically you're not supposed to put the scoop into the bucket because it's like not sanitary. So I think it's really nice and genius that they actually have a designated area for the scoop. It also comes with this cleaning brush, which I think is very, very nice to have. And then I've already shown you the entire machine. So yeah, those are the extra accessories it comes with. So the other machine that we have, it was pretty easy to set up. So I'm assuming this one's gonna be fairly easy to set up as well. So I'm just gonna go through the directions and see what exactly we have to do. All right, so 5 minutes later it paused and I went ahead and drained the water tank now. This is the second time I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it one more time. Once that's done, I am gonna just clean the inside and then just kind of wipe down everything else, and then we'll be set to make some ice. All right, so we just finished the third cycle. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on so that it doesn't drain anymore when we are filling up the water tank. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the inside with, the instructions say vinegar and water. So this is vinegar. I'm gonna wet the cloth with some warm water. Just a little bit of vinegar. I'm actually gonna take this out and clean it properly in the sink. So I'm just gonna use this washcloth to clean the inside of the machine. Alright, that was pretty easy to clean. I mean, the last one that I had from them is also easy to clean, so I wasn't expecting anything difficult. But now the ice maker is ready to make ice, and it says here that the first initial batch will take anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes, and it is on. This is quiet. Compared to my previous one, this one is a lot more quieter. I mean, here, I'll stop talking to see if you guys can hear it. I mean, obviously you could hear something, but it's fairly quiet, right? So I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Once the basket is full, I'll show you guys the nugget ice, and then we can make an iced coffee with it. And it just so happens to be iced coffee time, so I'm gonna make an iced coffee for me before I go pick up my son from school. So let's keep it simple. Let's make a caramel iced coffee. Here she is. Oh my god, this is so good. It is so good. Nugget ice, it's elite. I don't think I've had, besides going to like coffee shops, I don't think I've had regular ice in my drinks for a long time. Look at how cute it looks. Like the nugget ice just makes the drink look a lot. Here, did it even focus? There you go. It's just a fun drink with nugget ice. So right now, if you go to the link that I'm gonna put in the description box, it'll take you to Gevi's website. It's $50 off, and then you could also unlock a $30 off coupon if you haven't ordered anything from their website. So it's a total of $80 off. I believe it's also free shipping if you order through their website. So if you're in the market for a nugget ice machine, or if you've just seen them all over the internet and just want to try one for yourself finally, check it out. Again, thank you Gevi for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.